Hello first years, welcome back to maths class. Yesterday we practiced the problem, we did the problem. Which problem? We transformed the line equation into three forms. One is a slope intercept form and normal form. So did you practice that problem? You have to practice daily, then only there will be connectivity from previous class to next class. And yesterday's method is most repeated method, most important method for 4 marks. So enjoying the straight lines, I think slowly you are getting used to the B paper as well as my teaching. So today we will do some exercise problems from 3B. We did some problems from 3A which are very selective, which are very repeated questions. So again after 3A, 3B, this is third chapter, already I explained to you. If it is third chapter, first exercise 3A, next exercise 3B, 3C, like that we will have. So today we will solve some exercise problems from 3B. So see, this is the first question. Find the equation of the line with the P is equal to 5 and alpha is equal to 60. So what is the given information to us? P is given to us, alpha is given to us. So imagine the line forms where we are having our P and alpha. So in normal form, I said the distance from origin to that line is P, and angle made by this normal ray with the x-axis is alpha. This is called the normal ray with this line. Normal means I said perpendicular line. That line's perpendicular line is called normal ray. That normal ray makes an angle alpha with the x-axis, right? So your line equation must be normal form. So in any question, P is given to you, alpha is given to you, and find the equation of the straight line means which form of the line contains P and alpha. First you have to think. So which line contains P and alpha? Normal form of the straight line contains P and alpha. What is the normal form? Yesterday only we discussed x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So come on, first in any question I said write down what is the given information to you. So given that, what is the given information? P is equal to 5 and what is the angle? Alpha is equal to 60 degrees. So equation of straight line is, come on, it is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. X cos alpha we got it as 60 degrees plus y sin alpha sin 60 degrees is equal to P is given as 5. So x into cos 60 1 by 2 by your trigonometry. See, we are doing geometry and we are applying trigonometry formulas. All two papers are interconnected. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 5. So this is x by 2 plus root 3 y by 2. Generally first we will write constant, then we will write variable, is equal to 5. Take the LCM, 2 is the LCM. So x plus root 3 y is equal to 5. Send this to that side. So x plus root 3 y is equal to 5 to the 10. Your line equation is First x term, then y term, then constant term. So x plus root 3y minus 10 is equal to 0 is the required line equation. So in any question, suppose some information is given to you, find the equation of the straight line, and information is given to you. First of all, you have to think about which form fits that information. So here P is given to you and alpha is given to you. Which straight line form contains P and alpha means normal form, isn't it? This form contains our alpha as well as P. That's why we have taken at the end all equations will be in our general form only, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form, where a, b, c can be real numbers. Now come to the second question. Second question also same information is given to us. Then why you are solving again, madam, you can ask. So alpha is given as 150 degrees. That's why you should know how to take that angle. So in any problem, first you try to write the given information. So come on, given that. What is the given information to you? It is P is equal to 6 and alpha is given as how much? 150 degrees. So always, so P is given to you, alpha is given to you, write the straight line equation means normal form of the straight line, isn't it? Contains alpha as well as P. Okay, so this is your normal form, this is the line. Okay, so equation of the line is, equation of straight line is, come on, you write your normal form. It is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So x cos alpha 150 degrees plus y sin alpha 150 degrees is equal to P is given as 6. So 150, how we will know this value? We can write this as 90 plus 60. Similarly, here y into sine of 90 plus 60 is equal to 6. So how we will take this value? According to our trigonometry, this is 90. So this is called 90 plus theta quadrant. That is second quadrant. So now see, this is x into y into. So x into cos of 90 plus 60. That means this is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, 90 plus something is there. It contains, it belongs to second quadrant. Whenever it is a second quadrant, what happens? Only sine and cosec are positive, remaining ratios are negative. Here you are having cos, not sine, not cosec. That's why sign changes, right? And whenever 90 plus, ratio also changes. Cos changes to, ratio cos changes to sine of the angle, that is 60. Next, plus y into, again see, 90 plus theta form. It is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, remaining are negative. You are having sine only, so it is positive, already it is positive, no need to change the sign. But for 90 plus, two changes happens. One is with respect to sign, one is with respect to ratio. So sign here, sign rate, this one is there. Sign means plus or minus, right? So sine and cosec values, it is positive, so positive. Now come to the ratio. 90 plus theta ratio changes. So sine ratio changes to cos of the angle, that is cos 60 is equal to 6. So here plus into minus, minus. So minus x sin 60 plus y cos 60 is equal to 6. Minus x sin 60 according to the trigonometry formulae root 3 by 2 plus y into cos 60 is 1 by 2 is equal to 6. So again same thing, first we will write constant, then we will write variable, and this is y by 2 is equal to 6. Take the LCM, LCM is 2, so minus root 3x plus y is equal to 6. Send this to the other side, minus root 3x plus y is equal to 2, 6, 12. So bring the 12 this side, minus root 3x plus y, minus 12 is equal to 0. Actually, straight line equation means x term should be there, y term should be there, constant should be there. But girls, in mathematics, in all the equation, first term should be positive. So here we are having negative. So multiplying both sides with minus 1, your first term will becomes positive, right? Those who are negative becomes positive. Those who are positive becomes negative. Why? We multiplied with minus 1. C is the required straight line equation. At the end, your line equations will be like this only. Which form it is? It is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That means x term, y terms and constant terms. So these are the two problems, right? First two problems. If you observe, in any question P is given to you, and what is P? P is the perpendicular distance from horizon to the line, straight line. That is P. And alpha, what is alpha? It is the angle made by a normal ray. It is the angle made by a normal ray with the x-axis. What is meant by normal? Means perpendicular line. This is our line, right? And this is perpendicular line to this line. That perpendicular line makes an angle alpha. So this is about a normal form. Whenever line is in normal form, right? So we will get this information P and alpha. And what is the form of the straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. If you take this one and substitute at the end, you will get your required line equation. Okay, so actually both are of same method, but here angle is simple. There we got angle as 150. That's why, and these two are repeated questions. That's why I have given both the problems. Now come to the third one. So observe the question. What is it? Find the equation of the straight line in symmetrical form if the slope is given to you and the line passes through 2, 3. So if one line slope is given to you and one point on the line is given to you, right, then you write the equation of the straight line in symmetrical form. They asked. Which form? Symmetrical form. So come on, we will solve that third question now. So what is the given information? Slope is given to you, right? And point on the line also given to you. So in any problem, first in mathematics, we will write what is the given information to us. So given that, what is given information? Slope is given to us. Slope is equal to, what is the slope value? It is root 3. And line passes through, line passing through which point? 2, 3. So this is your x1, y1 is given to us. So we have to write equation of the line in symmetrical form. What is this, madam? What is the formula for equation of the line in symmetrical form? So here slope is given means m is equal to root 3. What is m? Tan theta. So you know already while dealing with the slopes, I said, right, tan of the angle made by a non-vertical line is called the slope. So, and it is tan theta and it is denoted by small letter m. So, m is equal to root 3 means this is equal to root 3. Tan of which angle is equals to root 3, 60 degrees. So, angle made by this line with the x-axis is 60 degrees. Angle made by this particular line with the x-axis is 60 degrees. So now you write your equation of straight line in which form? Symmetrical form. So symmetrical form formula, what is it? X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. Simple formula. If you write 2-3 times, if you say it one time loudly, your brain will get used to this formula. So you got your x1, y1, you got your theta. So just substitute, that is your form. X minus x1 is 2 by cos 60 is equal to y minus y1 is 3 by sin 60. That's all. So actually we can write this as pi by 3. How? 60 as pi by 3. Pi means 180. 180 by 3 is equal to 60. So we can write this answer as x minus 2 cos pi by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by sin pi by 3. This is your symmetrical form. This is your symmetrical form of a straight line equation. Okay, so very simple. So slope is given to you. Whenever slope is given means indirectly angle is given. How? Slope is denoted by tan theta. So tan theta is root 3. So tan of which angle is root 3? Tan 60 is root 3. That's why we got our angle as 60. Slope is given in any question means indirectly angle made by that line with the x-axis is given to us. We can take theta value from that, and one point is given to us. So we have to write this straight line equation by using, this is the formula for equation of the straight line in symmetrical form. Just to substitute, we'll get the answer. It should be in this form only, that's why we did simplify the problem. Now come to the fourth question. Observe carefully. Actually, before doing the problem, you read the question carefully and try to get the information correctly, which information is given to you. So, if the product of the intercepts made by the straight line on the coordinate axis is equal to sin alpha, find alpha. Product of the intercepts. See, this is the important thing. Intercepts made by this straight line, right? So we have to multiply the intercepts of this line, then that value is equals to sin alpha, then find the alpha value. This is again important question, so we will solve that problem now. So what is the given information? Product of the intercepts. That means the problem should be in intercept form. The line equation should be in intercept form. So first try to convert your line into intercept form. Then you will know what are the intercepts. Then you take the product of those intercepts equate to sin alpha. You will get your alpha value. So first, this is fourth question, today's fourth question. So given line equation. What is the given line equation to us? Given line equation is, what is the given line equation? X tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equal to 1. This is the line equation. So it is given that the product of the intercepts made by this line. So if it is in intercept form, we will know the intercepts and we will multiply. Product means multiplication. but it is not in intercept form. So can we write this equation in intercept form? So we will try to write this line equation in intercept form. What is the intercept form, girls? It is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Then we can say that that is the intercept form of the line, where a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. So try to write this line equation in this form. How we can write? So tan alpha, can I write tan alpha as 1 by cot alpha? Definitely we can write. Tan and cot are reciprocal to each other, and plus y into secant alpha can be written as 1 by cos alpha. Cos and secant are reciprocal to each other by our trigonometry. So come on, is equal to x by cot alpha plus y by cos alpha is equal to 1. See how nicely you got the line into your intercept form, isn't it? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, which is of the form intercept form. So x intercept is, this one is called x-intercept and this one is called y-intercept, that is cot alpha, and y-intercept, what is it? It is cos alpha, cos alpha, that is cot alpha, this is cos alpha. What is the given information to us? Given that product of intercepts is equal to sin alpha. That is the given information to us. With that, find out alpha. That is the question asked. So product means multiplication of intercepts. This is one intercept, this is another. Their product means multiplication. So it is cot alpha into cos alpha is equal to sin alpha. So cot alpha can be written as cos alpha by sin alpha, and this is into cos alpha is equal to sin alpha. Cos alpha into cos alpha whole square is equal to sin alpha into sin alpha whole square. So we can write nothing is there means 1 into, right? So bring that sin alpha whole square to this side, right? What happens? It will be in the form of cos by sin, right? If we bring that value, okay, to that side, what happens? It is cos alpha whole square by sin alpha whole square is equal to 1. So observe, both are having same power. So we can take the power combinedly. That is cos alpha by sin alpha whole square is equal to 1. Cos by sin is cot, right? So cot alpha whole square, 1 can be written as 1 square also. It makes no difference. So implies cot alpha value is 1. Cot of which angle is equals to 1? 45. So implies alpha is equal to 45 degrees. That's all. That is the answer of the question. So actually here problem is, you have to understand the question properly. If intercepts are given in the question, means we have to convert the given line equation into intercept form. Read the question carefully. If the product of the intercepts made by the straight line with the coordinate axis, so always the line which intersects the coordinate axis, already I explained to you, right? This is called coordinate axis. This line intersects the x-axis at a distance A, y-axis at a distance B, and this line is called the intercept form. So, in any question, intercepts made with the coordinate axis means the line must be in this form, right? This form, x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So, any equation is given to you, convert that into your intercept form. Why? In the question it is given that if the product of the intercepts are made by this line, right, of the line, right, with the coordinate axis is given as sine alpha, then find alpha. So, we need intercepts made by the line. So, try to convert the line equation in intercept form. For that sake, we have taken tan alpha as 1 by cot alpha, and secant we can take 1 by cos. So, this one, right? Now, it is exactly in your intercept form. So, one intercept is this one, another intercept is this one. It is given that product of the intercepts is equal to sine alpha. Product means multiplication. So, just multiply. Right? So, cot value is cos by sine. So, cos into cos, cos square, sine into sine, sine whole square, right? So, bring this side. So, cos by sine is cot, and cot alpha is equal to 1. Cot of which angle is equals to 1 means cot 45 is equals to 1. So, we got angle as 45 degrees. So, today observe, we solved these two problems of same kind, but repeatedly they are asking 1 year this question, 1 year this question. That's why I solved both the questions. The difference is with respect to angle. Here it is 60 degrees, here it is 150 degrees. And remember, in any question P is given, alpha is given, and write the straight line equation means we have to go for normal form. Why normal form particularly means normal form only contains P and alpha terms in its equation. Okay. After that, find the equation of the straight line in symmetrical form. So, symmetrical form, x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. So, to write symmetrical form, we need one point and angle, and observe in the given question, slope is given, point is given. I said we need angle and point. Point is okay. Where is the angle means it is through this. Slope is equal to root 3. Whenever slope is given, we can easily find. Indirectly, it is given as a theta, right? Slope is tan theta. We will equate and we will get our theta. So, next to come to this one, here it is given that product of the intercepts, they have given some value. With that you find out the angle alpha. So, product of the intercepts means the line equation must be in intercept form. So, try to write your line equation in intercept form and get your intercepts. Then you take the product of intercept. Product means multiplication of the intercepts. You will get it, right? So, with that we got at the end we got cot alpha value is equal to 1. Cot of which angle is equals to 1? 45 degrees. That's why your alpha is 45 degrees. So, practice the problems daily, right? And try to, if you practice slowly, you will get enjoy with this subject also. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.